The core is suitable for vessels up to 50 foot, but for some larger vessels up to 80 foot, we have the OLAS Extender. So the Extender is essentially an OLAS repeater. So it talks to the core and it takes the transmission from a tag to the extender back to the core. It has an inbuilt battery, so it's rechargeable, and that will run for 2 days. So on race boats it's really efficient because you can place this anywhere that you've got black spots. If you're running the system for a longer period of time, you've got the same connection, so it's a 5-volt supply. So you find a local 5-volt supply within range of these connections and then you're set up and you're good to go. So to connect the extender to the core, you have to pair them up. So you turn the core off by pressing and holding for 8 seconds. So after the 8th second, you get a beep, you release, you get the triple beep, and that's switched off. So now it's in pairing mode. So if I turn it back on, it then does its 30-second scan for any tags within 2 meters. And after that 30-second period, you want to press the button on the extender and then that pairs it up. Now the OLAS core is tracking, you've got your red light, you need to turn on your OLAS Extender within 1 minute. To turn it on, simply press the button once. This one's already fully charged. It goes from a solid red to a flashing red. So it basically flashes every 4 seconds, because currently I've got this set to a 4-second sample time. The next stage is just walk to the black spot, walk around to the furthest point that you want the extender, and just make sure that it's still flashing. If it's still flashing, it means it's connected to the core. As soon as this goes solid red, it means that it's disconnected from the core and you need to go back into range. So I'm just going to take this through to the fore cabin and then just place it in there. So essentially you just walk towards the black spot or your maximum distance from the core, and then you place it in that area. So that extends your coverage because it takes transmission from your tag to the extender and then over to the core.